Can you solve for x in this expression? 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x equal to 1024. If you are asked to solve this, what will you do first? There are various methods we can use in solving this. I'm just simply going to show you one simple method. And what is that method? As we solve this method, using this method, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to my channel for more. Now, from the left hand side, you'll come to notice that 4 to the power of x appears 4 times. So I can simply simplify by bringing out 4 to the power of x, and 4 to the power of x divide all what is inside, will be left with 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus what? 1. And this will be equal to 10 to 4. Great. In the next step, I'm going to consider adding those 1, and if I add them, I'm going to have 4 to the power of x multiplied by 4, and that will be equal to 10 to 4. Great. So if I divide here by 4, I'm going to simply also divide here by 4. And what do we have? 4 is going to clear 4, and I will be left with 4 to the power of x to be equal to 4 here is going to give me 1. 4 here, I will be left with what? With 2. Remainder what? Remainder 2. 4 in 22 is going to simply give me 5, right? Remainder 2. 4 in 24 is going to give me what? 6. Good. So that expression is going to give me that. Now to this point, what do you think we can do to simplify? I can simply send everything to a common base and base 2, and that will give me 2 to the power of 2 all to the power of x, right? And this will be equal to, if I want to send this to base 2, I'm going to have the value of 2 to the power of 8, right? So this is going to give me 2 to the power of 2x equal to 2 to the power of 8. Now the beauty of this is I have one common base, and according to the law of indices, if you have one common base, then the exponent will equate. So I'll have 2x to be equal to 8. If I divide here by 2, I'll also simply divide here by 2. 2 is going to clear 2, and then the value of my x is going to give me 8 divided by 2 is going to give me 4. The value of x is equal to 4, and that is what satisfies that exponential equation given to me up there. Now come to think about this. If we insert the value of x to the power or equal to 4 to that expression, can we get 1024? Now let's check. I have the power of 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x. Will it be equal to 1024? Now I want you to look at this. With x equal to 4, we'll have 4 to the power of 4 plus 4 to the power of 4 plus 4 to the power of 4 plus 4 to the power of 4. Now I want you to simplify this and tell me if it can be able to give me 10 to 4. If it does, then that solution is absolutely right. So simplify it and let me have your answer. I'll be so glad to interact with you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified maths content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.